everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's cooking video is mutton pepper fry. If you follow this cooking method, you can cook it as a mutton fry, mutton curry or mutton dry fry. Let's start by turning on the stove and placing the pressure cooker. Today I took 1 kilogram of mutton and soak it in the water for 15 to 20 minutes with turmeric powder and salt. Now it's time to wash the mutton 4 to 5 times. Shift all the mutton into pressure cooker. Add some water. Close the pressure cooker. Cook for 3 to 4 whistles. And then replace the pressure cooker with another pan. Wait for the pan to heat up. Then add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 2 inches of cinnamon and 5 to 6 cloves. Here I took 5 small size of onions. If you are using medium size of onion, go for 3. Cut them into slices and add them. Use a 1:2 hand ratio of ginger garlic paste and add it. And 2 small size of tomatoes. If you are using medium size tomatoes, go for 1. Chop and add them into the pan. Once tomatoes are cooked well, add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1½ teaspoon of pepper powder, 2 teaspoon of mutton masala, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix it well until masala sauce mix with tomato. Maintain the flame on low. In this recipe, this stage is very important. Add cooked mutton into pan and mix it well until masala is mixed with mutton. Salt as required. Where we are using cooked mutton water, pour a small amount of cooked mutton water. You can see that the mutton will absorb the water as soon as it is added. If you want it to be spicy, you can add extra pepper powder as per your requirement along with salt. Then add some more cooked mutton water and mix it well. Cook until water turns dry. then add some more. Now the mutton fry looks tasty and gravy-like. At this stage, add 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala. I'm happy with this stage as it turns out to be creamy mutton fry. If you want mutton dry fry, let's cook for a few more minutes without adding cooked mutton water. Or if you want mutton curry, you can add some more cooked mutton water to get the required consistency. Try this special recipe. I hope you love it. And please let us know in the comments below. I will see you soon in our next video. Until then, be positive and spread positivity. Thank you.